Kick-ass. Something that's awesome, powerful, or really good. Example: this new video game is totally kick-ass. Badass. Someone who is cool, confident, and maybe a little rebellious. Example: that biker looks so badass with his leather jacket. Swag. A cool, stylish attitude or appearance. Example: he's got so much swag when he walks into the room. Hitched. To get married. Example: they are getting hitched next summer. Flick. A movie. Example: let's catch a flick tonight at the theater. Laid back. Someone who is relaxed and easygoing. Example: she's so laid back, nothing stresses her out. Faff. To waste time or do things in a disorganized way. Example: stop faffing around and get the work done. Epic. Something that is huge, grand, or remarkable. Example: that concert was epic. Epic fail. A big, embarrassing failure. Example: he tried to jump over the fence but fell instead. Epic fail. Cheesy. Something that is overly sentimental, tacky, or corny. Example: that movie was so cheesy, but I loved it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.